Since the late 19th century, limoncello belongs to the Italian liqueur tradition. Fragrant and sweet, it's a natural product with unmistakable Mediterranean charm. In 1989, Bottega produced the first Grappa-based limoncello, named Limoncino. The exclusive Bottega recipe is created selecting the best Femminello Siracusano lemon variety cultivated in Sicily. The lemons have a peel with a thin grain and high-quality essential oils that gives it a strong aroma and a full taste. The lemons, grown naturally and untreated, are picked at the peak of ripeness, washed and peeled by hand, removing the white bitter part and only selecting the yellow peel, which is rich in essential oils. The lemon peels are infused in alcohol for about 30 days. This allows the extraction of the aromatic and coloring substances that give this liqueur its characteristic lemon scent and typical vivid yellow color. The liquid is then separated from the peels and diluted with alcohol, water, and sugar. The blend of water with essential oils gives a natural opalescent color. The final addition of Prosecco Grappa makes this unique limoncino smooth and fruity. The liquid is filtered to remove impurities while maintaining its organoleptic characteristics. The bottling process uses advanced and efficient systems. Expert operators carefully control each bottle before it is packaged. Bottega Limoncino has an alcohol content of 30 degrees. It is an easy-to-drink product appreciated by many consumers, including women and young people. To enjoy it to the fullest, serve it at -15 degrees centigrade. Excellent as an after-dinner drink, Limoncino is pleasant even in other times of the day. It can be consumed straight. It also goes well with ice cream, sorbets, and fresh fruit salad. It matches perfectly with Prosecco in a fresh and original Bottega spritz. An unmistakable ingredient for delicious desserts that originate from the Italian pastry tradition, such as the tasty and light Bottega lemon cake. Limoncino Bottega, a toast to tradition, flavor, and nature.